2017, a routine flight over Canada nearly turned to disaster. A twin-engine turboprop prepared for landing at Jean Lesage International Airport in Quebec City. Something unexpected crossed its path. A drone. The impact was sudden. Though the aircraft managed to land safely, the event marked a chilling precedent. The first confirmed collision between a commercial aircraft and a drone in North America. For decades, aviation has battled the dangers of bird strikes. Incidents where birds collide with aircraft, often being sucked into the jet engines. The infamous 2009 Miracle on the Hudson. It was caused by a flock of geese. They disabled both engines of U.S. Airways Flight 1549. But birds, for all their unpredictability, are soft-bodied and composed largely of water. Drones are quite different. Unlike birds, drones are built with metal, plastic, and lithium batteries. It makes them a uniquely dangerous threat. When ingested into a jet engine, these hard materials can shatter turbine blades, disrupt airflow, and trigger a catastrophic compressor stall. And this could all potentially lead to complete engine failure. Testing conducted by the University of Dayton Research Institute confirmed all of these fears. Their controlled simulation showed that even a small quadcopter could punch through an aircraft's wing at high speeds, causing severe structural damage. Regulators, they've been scrambling to address the growing risk. The FAA has very strict rules prohibiting drone flights within 5 miles of airports without clearance, yet reports of near misses do continue to rise. Some airports have installed drone detection systems, using radar and signal jamming to neutralize rogue devices before they become threats. Yet as drone sales surge worldwide, the risk of an engine ingestion incident grows by the day. The aviation industry has long prepared for bird strikes, but drones introduced a new kind of hazard. Unlike birds, which follow natural flight patterns, drones are controlled by humans, some of whom may be unaware or simply reckless. A drone does not need to be malicious to be dangerous. A hobbyist unaware of airspace restrictions or malfunctioning drone with a dead battery can be just as deadly as a deliberate attack. The question isn't if a drone ingestion incident will occur. The question is when, and how prepared the aviation world will be when that unfortunate time happens. These are Interesting Things with JC.